Hello, I'm Sam from Unlimited Growth Dive. A lots of business owner, small owners or the new business owner used to ask me that can I run Google Ads without a website? The answer is yes, you can, but to get best result from the Google Ads, then you should have a website, because when you have a website, then you can track data that how many result you got and how many spend you are doing, and when you measure it, then you can identify and you can get the idea that is Google Ads profitable for you or not. Without website you can run ads. You can run ads with Google business profile. It calls local service ads. Also, you can run ads with third-party social media links like Facebook, Instagram, like that. But the ideal situation and the best practice that you should run ads with a website, at least minimum a landing page, because website like a store. When your store will be good and well organized, then people will trust you, they will buy from you. But if you have no store, then people will not trust you. When people buy from you, they think a lot of, so you're just spending money and waste your money on Google Ads. So that's why my suggestion to you, to get result from Google Ads, run Google Ads with a website. Minimum, make a good landing page. That will be perfect for you. Thank you so much. See you later in the next video. Thank you so much.